What's up, guys? It's your boy, I'm a G, coming at you on this Sunday afternoon to let you guys know what's going on in the wild, wild west of crypto land. Guys, today's video is going to be on Dogecoin. Just going to give you guys quick updates, guys. We're going to briefly touch on some articles that can act as some positive catalysts in the near foreseeable future. We're going to get into a little bit of the charts and look at some levels of resistance and support. And if that sounds good to you guys and you guys aren't a subscriber to the channel, what you waiting for? Hit that mother stinking subscription bell, turn it on to all so you can be notified at all times. And if you guys are feeling generous on this Sunday and want to show your boy some love, you can by just giving me a free thumbs up. Cost you nothing, guys. And I will surely, truly appreciate it, guys. And quickly, I will be doing a giveaway when we get to 500 subscribers. One lucky individual will get $150 of crypto, and one lucky mofo will get $300 of dinero when we get to 1,000 subscribers. Now, if that all sounds good to you, and if you're not a subscriber to the channel already and you like free crypto, hit that bell and turn it on to all. Now let's dive right into the content. All right, guys, we're just going to briefly see what good old Papa, Grandpa Bitcoin is doing. Because when Bitcoin is doing good, the markets are doing good. As you can see, guys, Bitcoin is in the green today, and the overall crypto market is in the green today as well. Now, when Bitcoin's in the red, most of the markets are over in the red as well, too, right? They kind of just correlate with it. So it's important to know what Bitcoin's doing. So we're just going to briefly touch on that. Bitcoin is currently at 35,806 with 54 cents. It is currently up 0.88% for the day. And it has a 24-hour high of 36,233, 24-hour low at 35,493. Market cap is sitting at 670.92 billion. And trading volume in the last 24 hours is at 28.94. Now, guys, we definitely need the volume to go way up. The volume yesterday was just at 37.4 billion dollars, 24-hour trading volume. Now it's down to 28, right? We need volume, and we need the price to go up, and we need the volume to go up if we want Papa Bitcoin to continue to push up. It's crucial, right? We need to pass that $40,000 level of resistance. It is strong resistance, guys. We keep getting rejected at that 40K. You know what I'm saying? So nonetheless, we need to pass that. And that is the 200-day moving average. It was acting as support, but now it's acting as major resistance, guys. So we need to pass that, like I said, with volume and with the price to continue up with Bitcoin. But enough of good old Grandpa Bitcoin. Let's get into the main superstar of the day. None other than Dogecoin. Dogecoin to the moon. Okay, that was probably corny as all get up. All right, guys, but oh well, I had to do it anyways. All right, guys, Dogecoin is currently ranked number 6 on CoinMarketCap, and it is at 37 cents. Right, that's crucial level. That is a major level of resistance. We'll get into that in a second. It is down 0.1% for the day, guys. It has a 24-hour high of 37 cents, 24-hour low of 36 cents. Market cap sitting at $48.3 billion, and trading volume in the last 24 hours is at $1.87 billion. All right, guys, now let's dive into the charts real quick and see what the charts are telling us. Okay, now hopefully my chart will stay. Let's see what it does. Of course it didn't. All right, guys. All right, bear with me here. Let me get back into the markets. It always does this to me. Sometimes it stays, sometimes it don't. Pisses me off because it does that, right? All right. Makes me look like I am not prepared, which I was. It just acts silly, like a goose. Silly goose. All right, guys. Now we're going to get into the weekly here, right? So you can see what it's doing for the week. Now let me open this up really big for us. Let me get this over here so we can all see it good. Okay, guys, let me open just a tad more, a little bit more. Okay, guys, so obviously each candle represents a week, okay? So obviously you see we're having a new weekly candle form, and it's coming in the color of green, which is good because we like green because that's the color of dinero, money, right, guys? But no, serious, all jokes aside, obviously you see that candle that's forming, and then the one before it, right, the full green candle, right, represents week. So we've been consolidating for over a week in this area, guys, of 37 cents, okay? That is the strong level of resistance, right? That's why we pulled back down when we had that spike in price from the 31 cents area, which is the level of support. It shot all the way up to about 44 cents right before pulling back to this level of strong resistance at 37 cents. Okay, so that is one key level to look out for, excuse me, for resistance is at 37 cents. Now, if you look here on the charts, right, now these two red candles, right, the indecisive and then the other full candle with the little wick, those obviously are for the past 2 weeks. So as you can see, we've been consolidating for about 2 weeks at about, let me get it here, at about 31, a little shy of 31 cents, right? That's why I just rounded. It's like around 30.3096, you know what I mean? So I just rounded off to around 31 cents, guys. You can say 30 cents if you want, or 31 cents. Me personally, I'm going to say 31 cents, okay? So we've been consolidating around that area for about 2 weeks, right? We might continue to, excuse me, we were consolidating in that area for about 2 weeks until we got that positive catalyst from Coinbase and shot the price up, because that was our level of resistance until we passed it when we went up to that 44 cents, okay? So I say all that to say this, okay? 31 cents, level of support. 37 cents, level of resistance. Those are two crucial numbers to remember, okay, guys? All right, so I like to keep it easy and breezy with the charts, right? Just, it's an easy friendly channel here, okay? So that's enough about the charts and the technicality of things, guys. So now let's just get into a little bit of the fundamentals here, right? See what we got going on here. So I'm going to briefly touch on this article here first. Okay, now it's out of Forbes. If you want to do your own research, always do your own research, guys. Now this is Elon Musk talking about when he put out a tweet, and it's talking about when Mr. Vitalik Buterin he was talking to a guy on a podcast, not a podcast, in an interview, right? And they're talking about, let's just dive into the article here. I'll just quit yip yapping. It says Tesla billionaire Elon Musk, after helping the Bitcoin price reach never before seen highs this year with a 1.5 billion bet on Bitcoin, appears to have abandoned the cryptocurrency for Ethereum and the meme-based Dogecoin. It says, I pretty much agree with Vitalik, Musk posted on Twitter this week, replying to a wide range YouTube interview with the Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin by AI researcher and podcaster Lex Fridman. It says, in the interview with Ethereum's de facto leader, Fridman asked whether it would be possible to upgrade Dogecoin to beat Bitcoin hands down, as Musk briefly suggested, with Buterin saying, if Doge wants to somehow bridge to Ethereum, and then people can trade Doge thousands of times a second, that would be amazing. Now, this is up for speculation. Now, is there a partnership? Now, is there some kind of collaboration in the works right now that we don't know about, right? It's up for speculation, guys, but this can act as a positive catalyst nonetheless for Dogecoin, okay, guys? Then it goes on to say here, it says there's a power behind someone like Elon Musk pushing the development of a cryptocurrency, said Friedman, asking, is there a way to leverage that power and momentum to improve Ethereum? Now, Vitalik answers by saying, I think if we have a secure Doge to Ethereum bridge, that would be amazing. And amazing it would be, guys. And then when Ethereum gets any scalability that works for Ethereum assets, you would be able to trade wrapped Doge with very low transaction fees and very high speed as well, said Buterin, which would be great, guys. And that would be positive catalyst and bullish catalyst, in my opinion, for Doge and for Ethereum. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? You can dig into the article a little bit more if you want to, guys. I don't want to bore you to death. All right, but that is one positive catalyst that I wanted to share, okay, with you guys. Now let's dive into this other one here. Okay, now this one is out of MONTLEY, which is a well-respected article company, right, that talks about stocks and crypto. Okay, now let's dive into the three main reasons, right? If you want to do your own research and read this later on, you can. It's in MONTLEY. Now it says, number one, on the three reasons why Doge can go to the moon. It says it's retaining its value despite the crypto roller coaster. Cryptocurrencies in general have taken a plummet over the past several weeks, and Dogecoin has not been immune from that trend. Its value often moved independently from Bitcoin or even the crypto markets as a whole during its ascent, and its price has hovered in the 30 to 40 range for nearly a week. The stability has come despite the average size of trades and the overall trading volume dropping sharply from the average transaction value, which shot up upwards starting in mid-April, peaked at about 1.6 million on May 23rd, then fell back to less than 240,000 by May 26, according to data supplied by BitInfo Charts. BitInfo Charts is a good place, guys. You can even go look up Dogecoin whale wallets on there. It's a great website to go to. It says the Doge continues to trade for above its early 2021 price range of 2 cents or less, suggests that the market forces have established floor at current levels, at least for the time being. The coin's worth never fell far below 30 cents during the past month, despite China's push to ban cryptocurrency mining. And that is so crucial, guys, and that is key, and that is important, right? That what he said there. We haven't really dipped any lower than 30 cents in the past month, and that's true. I think we dipped once, maybe twice, to like 27 cents, but people stepped in and bought the dip instantly, right, and shot the price back up. And so we, like I said, we had been hovering around that 29 to 31 cents, right, because that's that level of resistance. And then we pushed, right, we broke through it, right, guys. Now that is our level of support. Excuse me. Then it says the decision came at, that's about Bitcoin there. So number 2, it says it has some everyday advantages over Bitcoin. Among the younger demographics that makes up the bulk of cryptocurrency enthusiasts, preserving the environmental is commonly seen as a high priority, right? They're talking about going green, right? Which basically, when Mr. Elon Musk did the tweet about Bitcoin and it too much power, that basically brought the cat out of the bag. Now everybody is concerned about about how much power Bitcoin uses in crypto and so on and so forth. In the light of all that, the vast lower amount of electricity required to mine and use Dogecoin compared to Bitcoin could boost its attractiveness as crypto alternative. Dogecoin uses just 0.12 kilowatt hours of electricity per transaction compared to Bitcoin's 707 kilowatt hours. Though the concept is currently little more than upbeat prospectus, the nonprofit Veriblock Foundation says it is working on a proof-of-proof blockchain technology that would reuse Bitcoin's proof-of-work security for the cryptocurrencies, including Dogecoin. Yeah, guys, I made a video about 3 days ago about this, right? If you want to look it up, go ahead. It's about 3 days ago about this company, Veriblock, basically like just reusing Bitcoin's energy, right? And out of the process, you're mining Bitcoin and Dogecoin out of Bitcoin's power, right? And then it says, while some view with concern that the fact that there is no limit on the total number of Dogecoin that could eventually be mined, in contrast to Bitcoin, which does have a hard cap, a maximum of 5.26 billion additional Dogecoin tokens can be mined per year. With over 129 billion coins already in circulation, this capped mining rate ensures Dogecoin's inflation rate will decline steadily over time, while still providing the incentive to continue mining it. Then it gives a breakdown, right, guys? So it says the total number of Dogecoin in circulation will rise by 4.1% in 2021, but only 3.9% in 2022. Dogecoin inflation will be at 3.5% in 2025, 3% by 2030, and 2.3% by 2040. Now you get the gist of what they're trying to break down and show you, right, guys? If you look at the numbers, right, guys, they're saying that it's going down, right, in time. Now it says given the attrition from the lost Dogecoin wallets, a factor in the supply of all cryptocurrencies, the coin could theoretically become deflationary at some point if the losses exceed the ever-shrinking inflation provided via mining. In short, while Dogecoin is theoretically inflationary, its predictability declining mathematically, inevitably inflation rate potentially gives it a more stable value than national currencies. Long story short, what they're trying to say is that it could possibly be used as currency, right, in the future, right? We're in the beginning stages, guys, of cryptocurrency, man. I think it's going to be here a lot sooner than people think, right? And major money is going to be made in those who are patient, right? All right, guys. Now, number 3, it says, like any currency, Dogecoin gains value as it becomes more widely accepted, and it's been widely accepted, guys. It's been getting a lot of attraction, a lot of momentum, guys, and positive momentum at that. It's been in CNBC, New York Times, Wall Street Journal, and articles that usually talk about stocks. It's been in the news channels. I mean, so many positive things going for Doge, guys, right? It's going to be accepted a lot sooner than people even think. I'm not just saying it because I invest in Doge. I truly believe in it and what it's doing, right? I stand behind Doge, right? I'm part of the Doge army. It says, like any other currency, Dogecoin gains its value. It becomes more widely accepted as a medium of exchange. While dozens of small businesses now accept Dogecoin as a form of payment, their economy impact is effectively zero. However, some large entities are also accepting Doge, including the NBA Dallas Mavericks, which will let customers use it to buy both tickets and merchandise through BitPay. Now, as team owner Mark Cuban stated, the Mavericks have decided to accept Dogecoin as payment for Mavs tickets and merchandise for one very important earth-shattering reason: because we can. The team's press release offered some more practical reasons for the decision, noting that the ability to accept crypto expands the business sales opportunity into international markets where accepting credit cards is not practical while reducing high fees and increasing payment transparency and efficiency. The Houston Rockets are also accepting Dogecoin among other cryptocurrencies. Now, guys, that is 2 NBA teams that's 2 out of, I think there's 30 NBA teams, right? So that's 2. Now, just imagine, right? They're setting the example for future NBA teams, hopefully, and to follow suit, right? Start as a domino effect, right? So you have 2 NBA teams. Next thing you know, you're going to have 5, 10, 20. You get what I'm saying, guys. Acceptance, major adoption. Now it says it is now also possible to purchase the hardest of hard assets, precious metals, using Dogecoin. The largest U.S. silver and gold e-commerce site, JB Bullion, added to its list of 7 cryptocurrencies it accepts as payments. Under JB Bullion's policy, buyers JP Bullion's policy. Buyers using cryptocurrencies receive a 3% discount on their transactions compared to a credit card purchase, close to the 4% discount it offers purchasers who pay via personal check. That is pretty good, guys. It says rumors also are swirling that the so-called Doge father, Elon Musk, might start accepting the cryptocurrency purchase for Tesla, right? That's up for speculation, guys, right? Then the article goes on to talk about paper hand and diamond hands, okay? So now let's get into, there's 2 more, guys, right? And then I'm going to close out. I don't want to take up too much of your time. Now, or one more article here, guys, which I think is important, right? It says Shiba and Doge, who is the top dog in crypto land, right? I'm just going to briefly touch on what I think is important on this article. Okay, now it says both Dogecoin and Shiba have outshined Bitcoin's market performance, and I think that is huge, guys. It says the cryptocurrency Dogecoin and Shiba have made huge gains in 2021. In fact, both of these digital assets have outshined a great number of cryptos as far as percentages gains against the US dollars are concerned. That is great, guys, and huge. For example, investing in Bitcoin a year ago shows investors would have gained a nice 290% against the USD, which is good. 290% is huge, and that is great, guys. But listen to this. Dogecoin, on the other hand, at 37 cents per unit, would have made the investor 14,780 cents according to today's 12-month data. That is effing huge, guys. Just imagine if you would have put, say, 1,500 or whatever, and you would have got 14,000% back, guys. That is extremely huge. I would rather have 14,000% back on my investment than 290. Don't get me wrong. That 290 that Grandpa Bitcoin made is great, right? Better than a lot of the stocks on the stock market. But nonetheless, 14,780 cents, that is huge, guys. That's why I wanted to point this out to you guys, right? It outperformed massive altcoins that are above it, you know what I mean? Like Cardano, BNB, right? It made more returns than them, right? We're on 6. It's made more than the top 5 cryptocurrencies according to CoinMarketCap. But anyways, guys, this is just some of the positive catalysts that I wanted to share with you, and then get into the resistance and levels, the levels of resistance and support with you. Now, if you're not a subscriber to the channel and you're new to the channel, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget about my giveaway. You guys stay tuned. I possibly might be making another video later this evening. You guys stay safe, stay blessed. Your boy Jaime G until either later this evening or not tomorrow. Peace.